I'm Rosario Leonardo of Ahead Education Group. We've been in the business for 30 years now.
What made you go into this business?
Was first year college in UP Los Baños. Dapat kasama ako doon sa Mendiola Mansapper. And my friends, nasaktan talaga sila doon. Tutulog na lang ako in some other way. And then I was asked to write speech for Senator Alberto tungkol sa education. So, parang na-realize ko na, education pala can help the country. Sabi ko, kailangan 40 na ako. Meron na akong malaking business para makatayo ako na building, nasa taas, sa dorm, sa baba, and then sa ilalim yung mga para analay ko na pinakamagaling sa sila rin magtutulong sa future teachers, sa ng 1 million. Pero 1999 I started, hindi nagawa if I did not put the back. And then, diba, para makilala ko place na lecturers ko na
What can you advise yung mga young entrepreneurs nowadays starting their business or in operating their business?
Kailangan lang nagtanong sa positive. Kasi in everything naman may negative and positive. Pagka nag-focus ka sa negative, makakatayo ng business. Pagka positive ka lang ng positive, then lalakas yung loob mo. For whatever is success. Please like dapat. Subscribe and follow my negosyo stories. Right?